What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. So my people, the story with Cked Ova and her boyfriend will get unalive is like it a go down a rabbit hole my people, and the finger point for one youth where always a come link or but you see me? Youth him over the neighborhood like you da say him live over there, but him no want talk say him live over there because that would kind of make it look like say him really unalive the youth, because word on the street they must say him unalive Cked Ova boyfriend, and them a say over jealousy me people. Me hear him pan this youth here when name Popeyes seeing attack, you know what I mean, say him and Cked Ova never really in a nothing, but him did a look her one time, and one time she come on him bike and go place and come, you know what I mean, whatever. Him say him and the youth and a friend none at all, that a Cked Ova boyfriend will get unalive, and Cked Ova say him boyfriend, our boyfriend will get unalive, carry stuff go give that same youth, and when Papaya question him say this youth here, him and him never really hold a conversation yet. They must say he would go for things after him bike and car go give him, and he must say nothing like that no go on. You see me I say? So people, me no know what to say, but we are going to get in the story because I have a clip of more share with with Cked Ova, right? Boy, one thing me have to say, yo, youth RIP to you, you know what I mean? Condolences to your family and people. You see the streets, yo, it's a cold place, you know, man. It's a place where nobody no get partial, you know. You see me I say? You think I feel really tough certain way, and people like you have some people in your corner with them think tough. You see me I say that no mean say you can't get clap with, you know. It a go kinda hard. You know what I mean? But you see, if you's a person where you don't really have that level of back it a certain way, and you remember the Naya situation where enough of the people when them come out and talk about Naya, them a say Naya did a bad by himself. Him never really have nobody back at him like that, so him did a bad by himself. I must start off with badness in him family. So that's why it easy if you walk over him and clap him way. Right? So this youth here, him never really him never did involve in no badness. That a Cked Ova boyfriend my people. You see me I say? And them clap him way, and people are say over jealousy. Me don't know if me chat too much my people because of the intro me come for do and me gone down in the story. Me gonna share some more of the story with Uno, but here we go on. We have Rosealee, you know what I mean, and TikTok link up again, you know what I mean, and I think them have a next person we say Jabass do whatever, come on the live and speak our truth, you know what I mean. Also my people, we have we have Shay, you see what I say, because Shay come for Rosealee, and also TikTok you see me, but Rosealee I say I don't now go on for Shay, make Shay one pick pan she forget a buzz, you know what I mean, but she not paying no attention to Shay. So we have Shay at this them up my people. We are gonna share that today. We also have Dan, you know what I mean, because Dan and Cheese kinda kick off a little bit, and more share that with Uno, and I think somebody else and Dan in a war. Oh again, me no remember you, but Dan addressed Cheese situation and then one next situation with somebody else, but I don't remember who that person is. You see me? But me I go get in that people, so we not go see it if you not watch. You see me? Also, me don't talk about the Cked Ova Jabass, Rosealee, Shay. Yeah, I think all of that me have to share with Uno. I don't know if me have not know where me left out, but if me left it out, it I go in at the video. You see me? So we could get in at you know with people quick and fast. Me know that ear so nice in the background. Me so come out and nice.
Pussy clot. So all the pussy bumper rascal. The woman said them a threaten him last night. All the woman send bumbo blood clot voice note to Rose. Said them a threaten him. XO, my love is very oh, she get voice note and I get threat. If me know me no do nothing, me no know you. Alright. People, no look into this. Come here as a teacher no some blood clot things where people not teaching no. Liar, listen this. If you no know me, if you no blood clot know me, thank you guys. If you no know me, and me come on social media, I tell lie and you don't know me. Oh, you know if you find me. Oh, you get me number. And you don't know me. That no look suspicious. You don't know me. You never see me in your life. So how you know when to find me and me attack? Anybody no can come on social media and say, Tom, fuck them. So how you know that specific somebody if send message to them? In one way, me no believe that bumbo pussy blood clot unless I see him bumbo clot girl come back and say, people, I lie me that tell. Uncle she alone can make me change my mouth. Nobody pan TikTok. You see from me listen that the voice note there from me listen it. And it touch me. Nothing can change me. All if TikTok liar we carry out that blood clot they tell me say Dan you know say a prank me would believe. Cause me feel something when me da listen it. So me wouldn't blood clot believe. I feel something when I listen to it. So me know something in it real to blood clot. You no can't tell me nothing. Anybody will listen that blood clot they and tell me say them no feel nothing unless you not no human blood clot being. Unless you not no human being. And then you now come straight the blood clot pint a come talk about. You know, see, that's why them force up the video. You see, that to no blood clot run with. You know, see how them a force up the video because of K talk blood clot slow. Suck on the mama. K talk like Kingstonian. You don't think me a blood clot idiot? You don't think me a idiot? After morning me go up a woman live and go tell them say, yo, that I no K talk like Kingstonian and me and K no whole blood clot conversation about voice note. Cause me a blood clot genius pan this. That I no K voice. K talk and stop. K talk like she tired. Like how Kingstonian talk. Talk for a little bit and then she rest. Talk for a little bit. That is somebody then have blood clot talk and stop when she tell her story. So that couldn't be K. And that me soon I run within a blood clot box. All that the one will look like he have AIDS to blood clot. You say I'm a real and a kick and about blood clot. Or something no say something right in this. And everybody in I comment and run with it and about yes a K who no blood clot. Look how much DK sit down that TikTok liar box. You don't know K vice by now. You don't know K vice by now. All you see everybody a real and kick and go on from the incident. You see K come out come real and kick. Cause K come like when he talking tired. In can't bother with talking. That's why me have a sister. In can't bother with talking. You sit down you hold the and don't say a word to you a blood clot. So from me here, me know say I no care that. Whether if they slow it down, miggle it down, high up or with them blood clot, do me know say I no care that. And that you no want people for blood clot run with and say, you not talk it truth. But other people not talking blood clot truth. So you no feel like say, what day you no come out with one bag of bangarang to blood clot and you no feel like say, yeah, everybody believes say, that, this, that. I know everything you no say on social media go be true. I know everything go be true. I know everything will come on social media go be true. Where the fuck do you know? Where the fuck do you know? You see if I did blood clot America Jabass there and the allegation they come up on Jabass, I laugh me the blood clot laugh and say, wait, them a girl in America then wicked the fuck and lie. You not even have to touch girl America if then say you grape them and police lock you up. So me know America that. But blood clot Jamaica. No girl not call long that pan them blood clot self. A girl that prefer saying come give a fuck. Blingers, a girl that prefer saying come give a fuck. And you can't fuck. You know she a promise you good a promise him a thing and you no give him. So you tell lies say you can't fuck. Cause why you feel a way through you no give him no blood clot money. But no girl at Jamaica now come out, can't tell nobody say no man grape them and stab them and lick them in their head and go in them back part and do this. People, you no listen a conversation good no man. You don't have to listen when me say no. And then make me a talk now because me in business with you all along, you know. Me just see that look. You see me go up in a mother box and no hear me say nothing in that box. But people still have a problem with me in my box. And them make me attack now. Because them claim to say, my son do the same thing. And me, if he come out, come talk about my son. As me tell you, come suck my son out when he want beard. All I wanna way attack. And when you're ready to talk about it, you go hold conversation about that blood clot there. And when me ready to get TikTok liar a piece of paper, cause you say, me fi make TikTok liar can read my file about my son pan TikTok. Me can go fi blood clot white piece of paper where we get and carry come put it up right blood clot. No and shame me all I wanna. Go suck on mama. Me no want no blood clot obligation. Me no want no nothing. Me no want no nothing. I'm talk this already, I'm gonna talk this again. America, once you're in America, anybody can say you grape them. Any blood clot body can say you grape them. And the next thing, dirty girl one over there talk today. Say, oh, police this, my son never there in my yard. And in my yard, my son did there. My son did there in woman yard. So you now get the blood clot story straight. You need to fix up the blood clot story them. You now get the story them straight. Him never there here. Almost a month him never there here. So you need to get the blood clot story straight. You get it wrong. I be a misinformation. You not go and give people miss blood clot information. So no matter. The next thing when me see the drunker always I do, where people no come like any girl, any dirty thinking blood clot fuck out nah be a girl. Where you see always I put up people picture and I put up picture from when y'all 5-year-old to blood clot. Them are living a blood clot pass.
People, you see that Jabass sitting here, it a mix me up your fret. Cause me don't know if I mean follow the story the right way, but them must see more than one person it happened to, right? But the girl went forward and said she traumatized and she said it happened in a thing there a couple years ago. Well, seeing about much years, and then Mr. Jabass got the station. Him no put none of the officer them on the camera. You know what I mean? Him only talk to some people. So I don't know if him go on a bridge in the yard and them do it there so and say boy no go so whatever. But what these people need to advocate for, the people them who are side with the girl will come out and give her a story. Me no know her, you know, my people. You see, me just hear voice note I play. Me no have a page for her. So people need to know her page, but guess what? At the end of the day, maybe she don't want to highlight the for people come over her page, come bully her and them something, so maybe she don't want to give out her page. But it kinda hard for say boy him do it and him not do it. Whoever the on which side, me no feel like nobody fi jump to any conclusion and say him do it or him not do it, because the story where the girl I give it very convincing. Me not go tell you no lie. But when Jabass come here now and start questioning the people in the community and go to the station, it's on a different type of way, like you want to believe Jabass side. So right away, you can't too go extreme and extra and pressure a person because you don't want to make a person seem like say him do it and you don't have solid proof say boy this person here do whatever. You know what I mean? Cause I TikTok this and enough time them people here come give a story and nothing no go so and it sound convincing. But I want to tell more what you think in the comment section. We are gonna watch some more.
Them are living at the blood clot pass. Them biggest fear are to show people where you become now. Because guess what? Them the girl there, from them band, them look like the $5 blood clot note and a $5,000 bill the Prime Minister just blood clot make. And they still look like a blood clot $5 bill until blood clot now. That's why them have to always put up blood clot people picture from them a 1-2 blood clot ear hole. Them can't afford to make you see where people look like blood clot now. Dirty girl, my son a star. My son will never blood clot wall a girl out them. Too much girl want my son for fuck. You crazy girl. Who no mad? Who no mad? From the judge look on the blood clot paper, dirty thinking, fuck out, orin blood clot dog. The judge said this no make no sense. This not add up. This not blood clot add up. Thinking old girl, if you want here. Where the fuck do you? Man, we are carrying girl pan blood clot, girl pan girl, where girl look blood clot, boy. Yeah, come about, yeah, sure. A girl a show a picture. When you look a boy just come and Friday, must see, well, we come here, must see, it Wednesday or Thursday. And go to church is Sunday. And at that the picture, she says she a show a look a boy. 13 blood clot, them the time they look a boy about. Me don't know my teenager. At that she says she a show. Show them in blood clot now. Show them in blood clot now. At that you have show people them. Show them in blood clot now. And say, see me. Cause from the girl, then look on him blood clot. They say, no man, me want a piece of the boy. They don't want none of your blood clot. Fish them for put in a no tank. Suck your mama girl. Come off of me name, me no remember you. Me done with your long blood clot time. Me son a girlis. I'm mad behind that blood clot that to suck on no mama. Yeah. I'm mad behind that too. Yeah. Where the fuck do you know? Where the fuck do you know? Shit pit. Where the fuck do you know? The blood clot. You never seen dirty thinking girl. Go. My son a star. My son a blood clot star. Suck your mother girl. And come off of my name. Stop calling me name. Me no member uno. Me a wait for hear your result. Cause your own a go take your blood clot life. And your result me a wait pan. Your blood clot result. Suck your mother. Come off of my name. I wanna focus on the blood clot girl. We say the man off. And the people them, we say them no believe. That a fool no believe. Every man to his own. Who believe, believe. And who no believe, don't blood clot believe. And the people them, we who no love blood clot come ask this question. Why now? Why she come out now? How much I wanna get called now, wanna not talk? Till you wear out, you not even that bad I want to do is somebody not, but at the time when it happen, come like, if you no could have do whatever, I wanna do it. But just so you know, so you know, no back it if so you have to just live with that blood clot there. You know, say a 30 year in America, girl, just a come say man grape them. 30 year, 28 year, 25 year. Because 3 man have much blood clot power at the time. But now social media talk for blood clot people. Social media talk for people. You see some on a big man. You see some on a big man. Uno for blood clot split justice. Uno know from heaven and earth say enough blood clot girl in I ghetto where man fuck off and nobody can, not even them family can do nothing about blood clot that. And them have to just know that and all them have to do carry them go down to hospital and know say I eat that. Screw up them face, carry grievance for them, wish for them unalive and whatever, but then can't blood clot do nothing. And that don't know know. Just like come here the batty boy I can't talk about say, oh, Fran Zeeks, Fran Dodos gone to jail. Listen, you know, Fran Dodos gone to jail. A police people are deal with. People no talk it truth no man. Talk it truth no. How much era people can carry blood clot police in a? Must be some little country blood clot era. Nowhere in a Kingston, Spanish Town, St. Catherine and St. Andrew, no blood clot body can carry police in a them the era there. What the fuck you matter about? What matter about? But civilized and people like police. You no talk it truth no man. Who's part in a blood clot St. Catherine you can't carry police go? Who's part in a St. Catherine you can't carry police go? And you live in a community. Tell me who's part in a blood clot St. Catherine you can't carry police go and you live in we're controlled by blood clot one other and clangs. Who's part you can't carry police go? No way in a non-blood clot way in a St. Catherine. You can't police come after crime done. Hungry time you see police I must have body them a come blood clot take up. Nobody a go to police. Go to police go do what? When the place governed by 2 set of blood clot man. When the fuck people a go police for do what? So fuck my chat. They must stray the pine people. They must stray the blood clot pine. The last time time me know a girl, the last she dep on the live now, the last time when me know a girl was sitting wrong, me now go talk what wrong with her. For them know exactly how me attack. And she go down a police station. I see a police then call and said, yo, me just sit down, come look while you know, whatever, say you know, whatever. Police are informer, moving up blood clot. And the people they know. What the fuck do know? The people them blood clot know, so the people them wall where them a wall. The people them wall where them a wall. You better you come out and say, since man a govern the area, no boy can't hold no girl and do certain things again. A whole heap of that used to go on. Whole heap of that people can't tell you. Say that used to go on half thing. Since the man then govern the area now, that can't go on. And tell me who should I man them you see got blood clot jail feet? Who got jail feet? Yes, man, I'll analyze people in a blood clot era when no blood clot, when the era not on a rule and come back in a era like nothing never happened. And nobody can do them nothing. When you can't do them, and your family, you know, if you just low it, but you just a pray in your heart for death for them and them there. But you can't do nothing. What you can do? What the fuck you can do? Nothing at all you can do. So remember that. So me not like and time when you talk fuck rap people ears. Just because you know see people look a shine. I don't want going at them blood clot box. You know if you stop it.
Your son will give shot. Go meet the case. Go meet yes. And go meet your wig. Go do a meet and greet with your big. Now come for me. Go meet your wig. Boy, you want me? Me say all if you coulda meet me in a real life, you coulda play with me. Me not ask you no question, dirty woman. Me not ask you nothing. Boy, you want me? You think you can send no bad man for me like how you walk and send bad man people? When I used to live at Jamaica, dirty woman. You think you can walk?
Hey people, I'm gonna tell you something, man. You see, when it come to like allegations, it don't quick for you jump to conclusion, you know. Me I telling you that for true, you know, people, because sometimes you hear some allegations where some people are drop on some other people, and to all them convincing you, them sell you whatever them allegation them a drop on the person. See, I mean I tell you, say you will believe it if in your mind you see, if you haven't been in situation where you pre certain allegation will get drawn at people and you find out say yo nothing no go so, and you see all the people them convincing to say boy yeah so it go, you now go think twice when a person are convince you about somebody else. You know what I mean? When you make allegation upon them, make you understand. If you haven't been in a situation where allegation have been drawn and you are near to a situation where allegation have been drawn at somebody else, and at the end of the day you find out that that person who drew the allegation did not tell a big fat lie, and the big fat lie was so convincing, you know what I mean? If at the first, like, if you never go through that yet, and somebody a draw allegation upon people, because me not lie, the girl sound convincing in the voice note, you know, and then Jabass, you know, will come and clear up the thing, and him sound convincing also. So out of the two of them, you don't know who to believe, and some people are going to believe the first story with them hear, and them have a saying with them say the first like story normally are not the truth, because the lie find its way all over the world before the truth could have put on its pants. You know what I mean? I'm not saying that the girl is you know what I mean, but me just say we have to listen to the two sides, and when it come to when it all boils down, then we can say alright, you see me? So let me know what you think. We watch some more.
I can't send nobody for me. Like how you used to do a Jamaica walk and man for people. Dirty old lock out, big woman. From your yard to your knee. Okay, chululu. As you sit down. Everything I You could have been my grandmother, but you're much man. I could have proud for say boy me little grandmother. She name Dan Reed. She have false teeth. She not really have the whole her teeth them at the back of her head, you know. Some of them not right. And some of them wrong. So what that? What are your age? Dan we can't read all right. Can't read all right. Dan read a scripture. Read what the comments are say. You read like a 2-year-old heart. You send too much voice note. Yeah, that's why I shouldn't read the message them in our group. Every minute of voice note she send. Say the days of the week, Dan. Say the month of the year. Count.
Unless he wants him.
That. Like you want me for free to you. Me not afraid of you. Me not afraid of you. See the whole of people them here we are run behind a liar. Look pa uno. Look pa clat uno but not run. Look pa hey I want to go to some bike. Look pa uno we are run behind a liar. Then tell me if this a woman you righted. This had cocked cracky that man you righted. Look pa the type of people them we are run behind a bad liar. You know see so no mad. You know see say the whole no mad. You look sensible to you. The one now walk around be a liar, liar can't see. And you yourself can't look upon you to know. The one like a blind mice lead the whole of you. You don't know how liar look. And the whole around behind a bad liar. Go cocked blood clot to man vetty. Stand up and go on the door. Run to the door. And you the best believe people, this woman don't have no foot. And she in everybody business and she can't walk. Suppose somebody see her and picture out of the wheelchair now. You hear so the people them wicked. And she cannot walk. She cannot walk and she in every lady run to the blood clot door and come in. Run. You can't walk in a people blood clot. Don't coupon them a bumbo clot. All senior citizens blood clot handicap looking pussy old people them here. Why not people business and no can't bumbo clot walk? How the fuck could you walk and get trouble and no can't pussy clot walk? You can't walk, Dan can't read, liar can't see. How would the bumbo clot this? I be your old senior citizen class me there. You can't walk, liar can't see, and Dan can't read. How would the bumbo clot a go on fire? The whole lot full of factory and walk and get so much problem. Look pan you know, you cannot walk, lady. Why you dip on the internet in everybody business? You're a liar. You cannot walk, liar cannot see, and Dan cannot read. And buck cannot fly. Tell me now. One set of factory fault. Every time I saw no factory fault. Factory fault. Who don't make good? Who don't make good, me say? No bad na factory no make good. Who no make good? One can walk, one can see, one can blood clot read. See the factory fault. Factory blood clot fault. The special tree.
Alright, people. Boy, the woman they look away still, you know. So she said that one you can't walk. You know what I mean? TikTok, wait name you can't see and down can. How the blood clot is. Well, you know what I mean? Cuss not bring nothing good still on people. But we want to tell more what you think in the comment section. We just watch some more and we're going to move on to the next people. Because remember say we have a pack show.
If me tell you say Vetty stand up, you can't stand up. Vetty run to the door, you can't do it. Vetty walk to the door, you can't do it. Come out of people bumble clap business. Only can't run, can't walk, can't see, can't read, and get so much problem. One set of all senior citizens. Why them don't find out homes and put the wall on in? What the bumble clap to now do ya? Why them not find out homes and put the wall on in night? Find out homes and put on in them man. The one on for Guana Homes, Dan, Liar, Vetty, the one on Guana Bumbleclad Homes. Homes! Guana Homes, man! Another picture you want. Me want people them see your face. So you can blood clot see. Since the people them afraid for come see a blood clot you. Look on this dog. Watch ya. Waff dog head. Do man blind and can't see. Watch there. Every picture, what you have one picture, do man open their eye. Do man wear glasses. Do man is a blind Bartimaeus. Blind Bartimaeus. Do man have a blood clot head. A mega mine. Do man have a whirler head. Liar, come down. Them say I see kill Mr. Maspo. Scare down your forehead little bit. You're not afraid to drop. Them say I see kill Mr. Maspo post. Scare down your forehead little bit. You're not afraid your blood clot drop. You're too high. Come down. Come blood clot down. You have a eye seed forehead. It's very. Your head big like the dog, them a guide the container over blood clot waff. Move your bumbo clot and come out type people them business. You find your blood clot vision yet? With your 80-20 bumbo clot vision. 10% out of one and 10 out of the bumbo clot other one. Suck your mama alone, the bumbo clad people them alone. Liar go to your ear. Go beard. Beard. You walk and sit down in a bumbo clad robe. You not do no ear. Every day blood clot letter them pack up on your pussy clad doorway. You don't want beard. You don't want sleep. You don't want bumbo clad eat. People business are your middle name. Liar dirty woman. You're not beard. You want husband to beg your pussy. The man a beg you for wash your bumbo clad plate them. Not even plate you want wash. Blind Bartimaeus move your blind looking bumbo clad. With your head will get up be a bumbo clad water in there. Suck your mama allow the people them alone and go.
Mega mine.
Your head big no bump. If you have a bumbo clot Dora, go suck your mama man. Big bubble head blood clot water head dirty woman. You come like the blood clot things that when them put on them front of them car. As you touch it say blood clot move. I ask you, are we there yet? Suck your mama allow the people them alone, man. To dogged. Me say fuck I head big, you see? And he love people blood clot because I can't even see good.
Love people business, yeah? I talk about people.
Every day you want to bring down blood, yeah, your handicap looking blood clot husband.
Retarded.
Your husband retarded no pussy clot. Every day you want to come bring down blood clot people, dirty woman. Gwenna.
I can't come up.
Your husband favor blood clot Clifford the big red dog, pussy hole. You little bit on him big. Go beard. Go beard, liar, beard.
What are the frowns here?
Come out type frowns in blood clot robe. You coming like frowns rub up. You're supposed to put mowly. You don't comb no ear. You don't want beard. You don't want go outside. Take a little walk. Bamba blood clot. Go wash up a dirty plate them in the house. Me and your husband I beg you for wash plate before you mute the blood clot live. You're proud, but it's 2025. I don't cook. I don't clean. The fuck? Dirty woman.
I'm sure I see Fred with.
Go wash your dirty plate them in the house. You're not supposed to mowly. Every day you come on TikTok one for bring down people. And we can never see all your blood clot look.
I use the brill for
Socarella, we can't see all your look. Turn on your camera. Every day you want to come bring down people and we can't see a bomber clap blind Bartimus. Turn on your camera. Me don't know how people sit on your side make you bring them down. And we can't bomber clad see you. You ugly fucker.
You see how we make a man picture? Make them see her car. Come here, I don't know the fucker looking now.
We can't blood clad see you all know, but everything you come here want to come bring down people and we can't blood clad see you. We can't bumbo clad see you. You're fucking ugly. You're ugly in a pussy hole. And you come here and come bring down blood clad people. Every day you come here and bring down people. And nobody can pussy clad see you.
Open your eye.
Your eye never open. So you love people business, so.
The brill tell her, man.
Turn on
Me people, we missed that a while ago. What Shay say? The wharf dog or something, or some dog will guide the ship them at the wharf. Eh? Well, if I that she say, I know that name wharf dog. I just what you hear me, I know since this year, me I know what name wharf dog. The wharf dog, them are some so sitting where look like, you know when a forehead buff out or what would I mean? I don't know what me can use to compare it to, but I want something with them tie the ship them pan. A big fat metal something with a fat round head like, you know what I mean? I that name wharf dog. You see me? Cause me did think I want actual dog name wharf dog, you know. But until TikTok, I somebody get to find out what a wharf dog. So you can type in a Google or type it in a TikTok and see our really name wharf dog. Look what somewhere.
oh.
The brill tell her, man.
Turn on your camera.
Everything I have to sit in her ears.
Turn on your blood clot camera. Nobody can see how you look. But you come here every day you want to bring down people. And nobody can see you. Turn on your...
Yeah, and turn on your camera. What my baby, woman? Shut it. Somebody can't show me nothing.
You fucking retarded husband what you have. Fucker look retarded. I want to beat him with a blood clot belt. Watch him. All pedophile. Not get no pussy.
All teeth and the...
All thief. Look on the pantry blood clot thief. You come on TikTok in everybody business. Your husband a thief from pantry. Oh the fuck. Oh dare you. Oh fucking dare you.
I'm a sexual harassment for him too.
Them charge him for sexual harassment. And you want to come bring down people.
One to the big head one. We should leave on him in the mega mind one. The big bubble head one. Yes.
Every day you come here and you want to bring down blood clad people.
What's blind body?
I would have never want me a blood clot, yai. Big head, bubble head, mega mind looking blood clot liar. There, you join the army so good.
You have to say attention. I put the pan up there, so.
Big head, bubble head, blood clot liar in a everybody blood clot business. I can't see a bumbo clot face. You come like the man in a Star Trek. I forgot him name. What the man name again in a Star Trek? What a blood clot ugly man the name?
Look up your eye when they done attack to you. You damn handicap you. What you damn money? You have the voice note when shot. Go baby! Because them things you're not she, you know.
I'm not busy with them, you know.
Them things, because them are all she know she.
Every day you come and say you want to come bring down blood clad people. Every day. Pick the beam out on the eye first. What me a blood clad eye. Turn on your camera to see a blood clad face. Dirty woman.
I don't mind, look at them.
Me don't want no water. Me tired of the lie of them. No tell me for drink no water. Me don't want no water. Them too fucking lie. I be a lie them walk and tell pan blood clad people. Me tired of them. Them lie too much. And you see a man sit down over here every day, make them sit down and lie pan fucking people.
Go babe.
To lie. This a fucking ugly one, you know. What favor bumbo clot Grinch was stole Christmas. Every fucking day you want to come torment people. And you steal Christmas every bumbo clot December. Ugly blood clot Sky Diamond.
Oh, grass, man, the old crow, the old creature.
Blood clot man, dolly, man under the blood clot wig. Every day you want to come bring little liar girl. Little green bumbo clot lizard. All iguana. Come down and you want to bring down blood clot people. Dirty woman. Give me make a send the whole about blood clot picture over here, so. All your mama me a send over here. Fucking Chucky. Every day you come here, want to come blood clot bring down people. And I'm not sure if you're a man or blood clot woman. Me don't want no friend from none of you. Cause I'm liar. Do all on the pan yes are liar. I be a make up story about girl. Me never hear one of you come here come talk truth yet. See Destiny come out, come talk, say I be a lie no tell pan blood clad Queenie. It was all a plan.
Them.
Every day you come here on a blood clot make this bumbo clot germs. I come tell lie pan people.
But me go text you, alright. Send me go text we have to use the brain. The brain love to use it for business. They never tell you that I'm blind. You liar. Essentially, I have to stop working on a blind school, she go.
Well, make a blood clot send the whole on over here, so me a transfer uno to the phone, yeah.
No, we are leave the Rhinos and Ross for last. Rest, what the woman here? Rest few shops. Or else we don't watch them cards.
About that show that you are telling with the story and I beat with a believe. Just remember good. I mean, I hear nobody go up in a Rajabass class and I say, Shay, but we know you for talk to business. We know you for class people and bring up people. We know you for going to people private life. So you don't have no say in your so we know why you're on fire. I don't see none of the stuff catty girl them go up there talk it. I don't see none of the girl them go back none of the whoring because I call them a whore. Because I sit down and hear the things that must blood clot do and say about people. And I never hear none of them come say, that is too personal, don't go so far. You started, Shay. So Shay, we not going to do nothing where you never do. So we don't know what. And so okay then. If you ever say, me bad zero girl, come on if you want to put it back on the map. But I just want to say this and keep it moving. If you ever say, me bad mind mackerel for house. Me bad mind Jabass bar. Shay, where you the bad mind me for when you bring me down? Shay, when you bring me down, where you the bad mind me for? When you send mountain the video, I want to where you the bad mind me for? I want to know. Where you the bad mind me for? Shay, when you why you bad mind me for? Since a bad mind, you gonna use bad mind. Why you the bad mind me for? I want to know. I want to know where you the bad mind me for. Mighty God, thank you. Since I don't want to tell the public, say, we bad mind Jabass. Share where you the bad mind me for when you start for me and you're not done. Months, span up a months. You rinse out my name till when me catch up in our day and I have no more ammunition left. I have said everything out of the blood clot book. What you bad mind me for? I must the blood clot app and the app no belongs to you. But I heard black the girl with all the women not read nothing.
Well, my people, real talk, you know, Shay can't go on like say she want defend certain things, you know. Because when she and TikTok hear them did eat things, she go hard and dig up file on top of file and go on with herself. You saw me I say, even when she and Rosealee did that thing said way. So yeah, Rosealee said she rub Rosealee when them catch up with the area. Shay don't have nothing more to say about Rosealee because she done say everything already. That's how much Shay this Rosealee. You know what I mean? But let me know what you think, my people. We watch some more. I remember we have more to share. We have the Cked Ova story. You see me? So we could get in that after we're done with Rosealee.
Okay. Your bad man become living a dirty house, or your bad man become a neck black, or your bad man become a shit bad. Or your bad man me say, where your bad man me spa? That's what I want to hear about. Bun sugar tanks. We are look 2 more money gun, we are look 1 wheel, we are look something for go up there. We are look 2 more money gun, where your bad mind me for? Because you go over people have a come talk about, from the boy a bar is a bring down. So when you that bring me down with your bad man, I want to know. I would like to know. I just chat to blood clot muff and want enough big foot girl. I chat to enough for you too fucking enough. You want thick enough. You can't say nothing. You can't say nothing where Rosealee name in it and not jump on yourself in it. You can't see nothing what consists of Rosealee name and put. Let me sit that one. Shay, sit that one out. Sit this one out. Bigfoot girl, sit that one out. You can't see nothing when name Rosealee and up me mouth. What do you see Anya Agal know I'm not looking at? What do you say Anya argue with you all know I'm not look? And the same thing when me tell you, Annie tell you. Trying to repeat it and the girl them say, yeah, win. Because you're enough. You don't know story. But true, I'ma tell you one thing, she ain't not gonna know. Jabass not like you know. It's all along with me I go, I think him never that cheer for. I mean that cheer for. So enough, yeah, enough up now. All along, I mean that cheer for. Him not like you. So nobody come enough up. And through the argument get greasy with me and him now. And him know say you are gonna run to the rescue with your enough self. Jabass never like you for morning. And night I come. So they feel like so we're not gonna talk about Jamos and sue them. Jabass not like you, girl. Remember we never see and Jabass a play and even a match. Remember say back in the days I was the blood clot one. So don't feel like say through you hear the terror me I tell him deeds. I mean I tell him as me should. You gotta run up in Shay. Jabass never like you for morning. None of them not like you. And me them say, yep. Bigfoot girl and me them say. Some just want to take a use cause everybody come use a dirty blood clot. Think nobody can use me? Everybody come use a dirty blood clot for ya. When you wanna use your clone you out, you run go over Shibada use it till film pop program mash up. Cause you mash up Shibada program, you know? Cause when everybody a look for the art then, Shibada got clap the tea when they look no cleat, no tea, no clap. So the girl them say, "Cho." Do wanna clone, make a put a near for your eyebrow and shape it off for one money gun. And laugh off of you. She bought a clown out and tell her you get your girl head full of lies. Laugh off of you. No blood clot, Jabass a clown you. Cause Jabass not like you. Jabass don't know your fam no blood clot way. Jabass quick for tell us you give you put them like oh, me quick for tell you too. Bitch, wake up and smell the blood clot coffee. Nobody not like it on the net. Me not go over no like, me not go over nobody like go send them one blood clot gift for them chat to me. Remember I give your gift, Jabass, so I'ma chat to you. Remember I you try to come defend him with this. Make him a chat to you. I'm not gonna argue with you neither to come and carry you back from zero. You're very pathetic. Fucking jackass. Chat me I look too money gun, yeah? Fucking jackass. Say me for the fucking girl, you see? You know what argument me here upon the blood clot and kiss my teeth past it? You know what argument? You're too enough, man. Everything you want enough like you added blood clot ingredient. You don't know how the story go. And chat me I telling you from earth and I don't but I have to tell you the whole I know there's some 2.7k people there so no say if Shay did.
Well my people, if Jabass do all of these things what them say him do, him need to go down. Yeah man, him need to go right down man. You understand what I say? Some want to tell me what they think in the comment section and if him not do it. And on a level still, we not gonna know if you know whether him do it or not. Maybe we'll never know if him do some of them or not. But when I say, if it's an allegation, that simply means say you know if you jump to conclusion and say yes the person no. You can give your opinion on it and make the people them know say, oh, this is just my opinion, such and such, You know what I mean? Simple as that. Make we listen to some more people.
Crap, Jabass blood clot part should have the worst. Like how she the thief Brit money and come talk about oh Brit house a war off her family like and she don't know nothing. She too ups enough and nosy. You know say I walk a blood clot Volvo. When I go clean the blood clot car them. You know, so you work out, we don't go clean the car them. The internet now work for you, go look what, go clean the car them, man. How now work in a mindful business, so? How you work, you still a member, say me day here. How me a coffee, you still a think about me. How me not elevate, I'm living in your head rent free. Shay, you sick. You have to be a sick blood clot, y'all. Come on, all me for left the internet and go work and still a busy wacky pan ya. Me don't know, chat. TikTok work it out for me, cause sometimes I talk some things in my head. Oh, me see I walk. Me, Rosealee left yesterday, and I say I go look at 95. When I come from work, I get something in my system. Prepare myself, prepare so close to go back. When I come from work, I have to prepare something to eat in my system. Prepare something for go back and work the next day. Go bed and go to my bed. You know work one fuck. A long time on our eyeglass on the DNA. Because working class people go sleep for that work tomorrow morning. If you say the girl bleach she whole like the whole night, she just sleep for last night, you know. I remember she shall work. She over JABASS life I'm after 7, not how much in hours in Belgium. And at 2 o'clock, when at 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock, almost 6 o'clock in a blood clot Belgium, she kitchen over larger life. Hey, hey, hey! So then your argument, you get sure yet?
So it has been brought to my attention that Zoom has been going around on various social media platforms appealing to me to come to the public and clear his name of the allegation involving in the unaliving of my partner Khalif Thomas. No, Zoom, I cannot clear your name from allegations or whatever, because I did not come to the public and say anything about you or pass any allegations on you or anything. So I don't have the privilege to clear your name of certain things. Remember now that I have a platform. You never see me come out here, sir. Me never call your name and come and say Zoom responsible what happened to Khalif or Team Jotama Harry. You understand me? So now that you come to social media and you're going, you're there on the spot media, me see up on Popeyes and everything. Me understand your frustration and your concern. However, it is not in my jurisdiction to come and say Zoom did not do this or Zoom did not do that. Cause remember now, nobody never see you. Me never see nobody come on social media, including myself, and call your name. Me never know of it or your involvement until me did see it on the news somewhere. So me think that all is said and done. So when me see you come back on the social media now and I say your name for clear, you're going on various places and various platforms and appealing to me, or in a sense of I see it in a sense of you applying pressure to me, say clear my name, clear my name. I cannot do that. Remember now, I am not the police, I am not JDF, I'm not no Ministry of Justice or anything. Me not have the power to clear name. Furthermore, it is not just about me. Khalif has a family as well at his family. He has a family, so if anything, not even them, me not feel like they can clear nobody name for any kind of allegations. Even if it was my brother, my mother, my uncle, my sister, whatever name did involve in what happened to Khalif, me never have me not have the power to come and say this person do not do that, this person couldn't do that, because I can only swear for myself. You understand me, Zoom? As you have said, me I never have nothing, and as I say, I have no secret animosity towards me, but yet still you all know you never call me, apart from the time when you did get the lockup and you call me and ask me about whatever. You never call me, all I know. So me don't know what to say, and me listen your interview and me listen everything where I say. Me understand your frustration. However, me I gonna reiterate now, Zoom. It no matter if you come out here on the social media and try to pressure me in my darkest and lowest time, there is nothing I can do for you in terms of clearing your name from any kind of allegations, because I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing. I can only swear for myself and my children them that was in the house with me at the time what happened to Khalif took place. I cannot come and say Zoom did not do it or whoever did not. Even if it was my brother, or me could have swear for you same way. So when you come now wanna apply pressure, say Tikiana come and clear me name. Remember say me never come out here and tell her say Zoom, you do my boyfriend this, you know. Me never come out here and say, Zoom, are you unalive, my lover? Are you do that to Khalif and are you do that to Khalif? So me have to come back to the public now and try to clear name. You understand? Remember now say, are you put yourself out here upon the media and I say this and I say this. If you say you go to the police station and them take your statement and them investigate you and you is a free man, you don't have no concern and you know if you worried and they all over social media give all kind of talking and all them something there. You understand me? Me not have nothing against you. You not do me nothing, but you see police investigation has nothing at all to do with me. Me not get involved in a police work. Me not put myself in a police work, none at all. Because at the end of the day, me not want to end up a prison. Because when what happened to Khalif, I was the first suspect. And I have to hold it like a G and make sure so me proving me innocent. All kind of sitting talk about me. Them say I'm ex-man do analyze him. They say I'm me call him and set up him. They say all kind of things about me. Even you hear say him a did I do arms and all kind of something. You hear all kind of thing and we come here so same way every day and hold it like a G. People here on the internet me put my story out here and put my pain out there. People carry me down go. People say all kind of things about me and you know hear me come out here a ball and I say clear my name or no clear my name because me know me and me know me I got you and me lose my partner, me lose my love of my life. So me know how me I got you. So anything when me put
Alright people, if me I remember clearly or nothing, see, me see Tikiana, me see a video upon Tikiana page, right, where she a say, if anything happened to her, other youth where she a talk about, either cause it or him a go do it or something like that. You know what I mean? The video still up on her page, but you can't bother if you go feet and one Ray. So she named Tikiana. You can go over there if you don't want to see it. You see me? I think she do a couple video well about this youth, yeah, and about the unaliving of her man. See? So she saying that she never come and call him name in a no type of way. Me see a video where she say if she get unalive or this youth ya cause it or whatever, maybe me not quite remember the video exactly what she say, but me not know if she say him a go do it or him a go cause it because him a call up her name about certain things and Ray. I'm not sure. You know what I mean? So yeah, that part me did want to share with Uno because she said she never call him name for nothing. You see me I say, but when him do the interview, you know, it's like him a tell the man say like the brother asks him that a papa asks him say why would they want to say you involved in this youth unaliving? What they must say are the reason why you unalive him. Him say here say like them must say him unalive the youth over that woman you see him with. You see me? See a woman him unalive him over. And mother love for no go over Popeye. I think the name Popeye Newslink, yeah, something like that. Go over there, listen to the video and come back over here. So when you don't watch this, when you go over there, listen to the video where I set up Popeye and then come comment in the comment section about how you think he, and you know what I mean, how you think him clear him name. If him sound suspicious or him sound like him not have nothing to do with it.
Out here and me put my business and my opinion. If I come here one day, I feel like if me can't only pressure them, I feel like if I holla, me nah run all over the place and not do this and that. And Zoom, me not think so you should have in this position. Oh yeah, put yourself in this position and not go and not try to prove this and not try to prove that because you already say you've been to this station number of time and this and a reason to come on a platform and I say Tikiana this, Tikiana that, Tikiana this, because at the end of the day, member say Tikiana never come out here and call your name or mention you in a no way, shape nor form. Even when you when you were on the news of one of the suspects, I never come out here and tell the media or tell my platform that Zoom and such a person involved in such a that. You understand me? So me can't come over here and come say Zoom or ONG
Johnson people, him not have nothing to do with Khalif this because I don't know nothing about you. I am not meddling into police business. And right now, when you come out here and put me in a one highlight like this, it not safe for me. It not safe for me. Right now, me have to stay in. Me don't know what time it is because at the end of the day, you think that me have something for doing whatever going on. Remember, I am not a witness. I just lived in the community. I just lived in the community as a person. Me not come from there and so me don't know nothing about the community. Me just did I live there, me and Khalif just there. And I live peaceful like good neighbors see me. So me can't come out and can't do nothing for you in terms of that. What you need for do, if you feel like say you have to continue coming on social media, come call me out. I don't know why you come and call me out. As I say, it's still a shock to me because I know you not take up your phone and call me and me live good. You understand what I say? So you want what you want from me? I'm sincerely sorry. Me can't do it for you because you know in my power for it. As I say, I am just the girlfriend Khalif of family and all kind of something. I'm not the police. I'm not the Minister of Justice. There is nothing that I can do to clear your name. So moving forward, me I got you a lot. And nobody run to no other platform again with me name and I say Tiki and I have to do this or Tiki and I have to do that. Because remember at the end of the day Zoom, me never ever come out here and call up your name pan nothing or call up nobody name pan nothing, but you come out here and I call up my name pan things like this. You understand me? So wish you all the best. Same way. And you say you agree for your brother. Condolences to you. Although you never call and send none to me, but condolences to you and I wish you all the best.